Okay, now we will see what is inheritance and then how many type of inheritance found in C++. Not only in Java, even C++ also has five kind of inheritance. Names are single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and then multiple and hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is combination of hierarchical and multiple inheritances. For example, see here the single inheritance. Take class A has base class, class B has derived class. Are you clear? Class B is derived class, class A is base class. Base class. Derived class alias name is we can consider as derived class as child class. Derived class consider as derived class consider as child class. Base class consider as parent class. Okay. Now here, according to this example, according to single inheritance example, class B is a child class, then class A is a parent class. Are you clear? Now here, see next multi-level inheritance. Example is C is a derived class, C derived class, then B is a parent class. B is a derived class, then A is a parent class. Now consider C as grandson, B is a father. Now A is a grandfather. C is again I repeat, C as a grandson, then B as a father, A as a grandfather. Are you clear? Now next, hierarchical inheritance. Here consider B and C are childs. Here consider B and C are as childs. A is a parent. Here found two childs and one parent in hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance has two childs, only one parent. Two childs are interact with only one parent. It means two derived classes are interact with only one base class. Are you clear? The fourth one, multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance has only one child, and then A consider as mother, B consider as father. Are you clear? C has according to multiple inheritance, C consider as derived class, derived class or child class. A consider as base class or father. Here C derived class has two base classes. One is A, another one B. C derived class has two base classes. One is A, another one B. A consider as father, B consider as mother. Are you clear? That is your wish. Okay. Don't consider as two parents. Are you clear? Here, according to hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance, consider D. This is called as D. D as father and mother. Two base classes. C derived class has two base classes. D derived class. D derived class has two base classes. Names are B and C. B and C becoming a derived class to A base class. B and C becoming a derived class to A base class. Now here again I repeat, D consider as grandson, then B consider as father, C consider as mother. Both are interact with grandfathers, grandparents. Both are interact with grandparents. Are you clear? So now again I repeat, D is a derived class, has derived class interact with two base classes. Names are B and C. B and C derived class interact with the base class of A. Are you clear? Now, now we are entering into program. Yesterday we saw single inheritance concept. Today we will see multi-level inheritance concept. First we should make one base class and then interact with derived class and then interact with grandson also. Are you clear? Okay, now we are entering into the program. Example for inheritance category is multi level. Okay, multi level means base class is here. Base class is, now before I want save this program, now the program number is 8. Okay, here P008A is a base class, and then derived class P008B, and then next one derived class called as C. Okay, now here P008A is grandfather. B and C. B is a father and C is a grandson. Are you clear? Now we are make derived class object always interact with base classes properties. Yesterday I told to you, again I repeat, properties are member variables and member yes, exactly, member subprograms. So special member subprogram name is special member subprograms or constructor and destructor. So constructors and destructors, so these are called as special member subprograms. So now here starts the base class. Name is P008A. Here assign access specifier as public. So here I want create one default constructor, name is P008A. Okay, here since no formal parameter, endl, and then endl for